In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove card from Wise. We'll walk through the process on a mobile device, keeping everything simple and clear so you can confidently remove a card from your Wise account. First, open the Wise app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that the app is updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Once the app opens, you'll land on the home screen. If you use multiple accounts or currencies, don't worry, you're not changing those. We're just focusing on your card settings. Next, look at the bottom of the screen for the navigation bar and tap on cards. This is where Wise keeps all your card controls. After tapping, you should see your card details on the screen. If you have more than one card, double check that you're viewing the specific card you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one, especially if you have both physical and virtual cards, because removing the wrong card can be inconvenient. Now scroll down within the card view until you find the section labeled Manage Card. This area collects the key controls for your card. You might notice options like freezing the card or replacing it, which can be useful if you're unsure about permanently removing it. But if your goal is to completely remove the card from your Wise account, keep scrolling until you see the option you need. When you're ready, tap Delete Card. The app may show a confirmation prompt to make sure you intended to do this. Read the confirmation message carefully so you understand what will happen next. Deleting a card will immediately stop it from working, so it can't be used for payments, ATM withdrawals, or online purchases. If you have any recurring subscriptions or saved payments tied to this card, plan to update those with a different payment method to avoid interruptions. Also, if there are any pending transactions, they will typically finish processing, but no new charges will go through once the card is removed. After you confirm, the card will disappear from your card list in the Wise app. That's your sign the removal is complete. If you ever just need a temporary pause instead of a full removal, consider freezing the card next time. But if you're sure about deleting, you're all set. That's it. Quick, clear, and done. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to remove a card from Wise.